to see iterator for combination problem. So what we need to do is we need to generate combination of a character uh, for a particular length, and the constraint is the combination length would be less than 15, and then there would be 10 power 4 function calls. So the important thing for this is first we need to generate the combination, put it in an array, and then in O of 1 times you have to provide the combination, and we also have to return the boolean whether the particular array has a value or not. So first thing we need to do is we need to know how to generate combinations. For this we would start with an algorithm. For example, if the if the character is ABC, so the length of the character is 3, so we would need to generate uh, we will have this as the range, which is 3 ones based on the length of the string, and then this if you convert into an int, so this would be 7. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to generate from 0 to 8 the binary values present in that, and if there are number of ones, based on the number of ones which is the combination, we can generate a string. For example, from 0 to 7 we would have if you have to generate two combinations, what we need to do is we would have 110, we would have 011, which is 2, and we have 101. So this are the only three values from 0 to 8 in binary containing two ones. So based on this value we can generate the combination. For example, substituting all the ones in this string, so we get AB, and 011 would be BC, and 101 would be AC. So we would be able to generate the combinations using this logic. So what you need to do is to generate combination, first initialize a string with 1, into length of the character. Okay, so if there are 3 letters you have 3 ones starting. Okay, then you convert or you iterate over this binary value, of the string, and while iterating count the number of ones needed for the combinations. Okay, so count the number of ones needed for combinations, and then based on the ones, once you choose those number of ones, you corresponding one you map it. So for the corresponding one, map it to the initial string. So this would be the sequence of steps which we need to do for solving this problem. If you're able to understand this, you can pause this video and work on the code. Okay, so this would be my algorithm. So I would start generating the combinations. So what I will do is generate combinations, and my variable would be I need a length of the string for the number of ones, and I need the combinations. So this would be also integer, and then I need a string which is s. So the first step, as you can see, initialize string with ones into length of the character. So initialize a string would be 1, and the length of the character is L. So, and then we need to loop across this in the binary format. So we have to convert this number of ones into a binary. So that would be st comma 2 plus 1. Okay. So now we have the uh, integer value. So this would start from 0 to 7. So with this we need to convert into binary. So this would be our local binary value. And the binary value always will start with 0x, so we need to neglect that. So we need to start from 2. Okay. And one more thing we need to do here is, if length of the binary value is less than the length of the string, then we need to add 0 before it. So for that we would add 0. Into L minus length of the local variable. So LOC here is local, and then you add the local. So once you get this, you just need to count number of 1 here. So the count, to count we use the default count value. So count 1, and then if the count of 1 is equal to the combination, then what we do is we need to add this in our list. So we'll have a list called output. You add this in our, we'll add this location in the output. So once this is done, so what we need to do is we need to iterate over the location output variable. So this will have the 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 string. So what we need to do is, for each value we just need to check if the corresponding string value is 1. Okay. And for each output we need to have a string. So we will add this corresponding 1 into 1 would be in current into the string, and then this would be a resultant combination array. So you add result to the st. Okay, so this result will have the combination in a reverse order. So you return the result, and that would be initialized. So your combinations is nothing but you generate it, initialize it from the start. Okay, you give the length of the character, and the combination length, and then you give the character. So that is needed for our function. So once this is done, this would return the result in a reverse order. So we can print it to understand it. So next, we should do is we just need to pop. So we would pop the combination array and For a hash nest, you just verify if the length of the combination is greater than 0. So that would give you the boolean true or false. So this would be my code, and let's run it. If it is causing an error, we can debug. So current of I equal to 1. Okay, let's print the output to understand where are we. So 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. This is great. Okay. I think I made a mistake here. Let me print what is this I. Yeah, this is great. Okay, if current of I equal to 1, this should be correct. So I would just print as a high. Okay, equal to. Oh my god, yeah. Okay. Okay, got it. So basic error. Okay, so answer A B true, AC true, BC false. Yeah, this should work. I would just try to submit it. So coming back, we can see the result is in the reverse order. So we just need to pop it. So that is why we are popping it. So I'm just going to submit it. Yeah, it got upset. So the important thing here is we need to generate combinations, and once you generate the combination, you just pop and verify the self dot combination. So this algorithm would help you to generate the combination, and then you can pop the element for the next value, and for hash nest just verify the length is greater than 0. So that should solve the problem. Thanks a lot, guys.